What's up, you guys? Alex back here with Carolina Fathom. Today, we're going to be trying to replace the caster bearings in a Gravely ZT48XL. So when these fronts are supposed to swivel just like this with no issues, this one right here would get stuck constantly, and as you can tell, would pop the bead off the tire. So we are going to be trying to replace the caster bearings as well as reseating the tire on the rim, putting everything back together, and then going to cut a yard today. So let's get into it. What I've kind of learned so far is that we're going to have to take these bearings out, these caster bearings. Hopefully they'll just pop right out for us. This one's coming out pretty easy. But we're going to take these up to the Hope Mill saw and mower once we get them out, and get them replaced, put them back on, and get this tire back on. It's kind of the only way it'll come out too. There's one of them, you can tell it's very, very dry. Now we're going to try to get that one and the bottom out. Take a light, little tap like this. And they got ridges to where they can only go in one way, only go out one way. So, there we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these two bearings up to Hope Mill saw and mower, get them to exchange these, get two new ones, put them in, grease everything, make sure everything's right, get this tire back on. So let's go do that.
They seem to be the most lenient for sped improvement.
All right, so we got them all cleaned up, as you can see right here. We're gonna go ahead and throw. All right, so we got the tire back on and put back on the lawnmower itself. We're at a yard right now. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting, and I'm gonna set y'all up on the time lapse so y'all can see it work.